I was looking back through some of my old videos. I recorded this video on August the 28th, 2017. It was Hurricane Harvey, a tropical storm. And I was at the Beltway 8 and there at Westlake Houston Parkway. And I noticed something while I was watching this video. And this was a little over 4 years ago. And I'm going to pause it right here before I get there. And what popped up on this video was the price of gas there on August the 28th, 2017. Trump was president. He had just got in January. So this was about 7 months later. But look at this gas price. I'm gonna play it and then I'm gonna pause it. Look at that. It was funny. I'm looking at this. Unleaded gas, August the 28th, 2017, was $1.96 a gallon. Diesel was $2.11 a gallon. That is crazy. And this is from an old video. I had to make this video, guys. I don't know what Biden have done. Look at gas price 2-3 times higher. That's only 4 years ago. And if we are not in a recession, a depression, inflation, I don't know what's going on. But this is crazy. Now we're paying almost $5, $6, $7, $8 a gallon 4 years ago. But I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this video. And this was HEB. This is the store I always get gas from. But back then, even with this hurricane and all the stuff that happened in 2017, the price of gas did not go up. Nothing happened. You know, they put money, they helped Houston rebuild and everything. And it was terrible. That was one of the worst storms I've ever seen in my life. A lot of people have ever seen in their life. They call it the 100-year flood. This storm just sat here in Houston for days and days. I thought it was going to go away, and as soon as we thought it was going to go away, we got more rain. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.